City Farm. Hi, it's Pablo the Pig's birthday. We're gonna cook his favorite veggies. Shh, it's gonna be a surprise.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Let's have a party and celebrate. We'll gather lots of food, cook it up and then shh, he's sleeping. We'll say happy birthday to our friend. Let's pick some peppers.
There are two you can choose.
One is green, one is red, and both healthy for you.
Let's pick some carrots.
Okay.
And sit them by the grill.
If Pablo's hungry,
He's gonna have his fill. Happy birthday, happy birthday. We'll gather lots of food, cook it up and then
shh, don't wake him.
we'll say happy birthday to our friend. Let's grab some onions right out of the ground.
Onions, yeah. Look at those red tomatoes
That you have found. Can't wait to taste the veggie feast we're going to make.
Look out! Be careful around the birthday cake.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. We'll gather lots of food, cook it up and then
Shh, quiet.
we'll say happy birthday to our friend.
Soon we'll get to eat the good things we grow. But the smell is going to wake up
Pablo! Surprise! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Let's have a party and celebrate. We'll gather lots of food, cook it up and then we'll say happy birthday to our friend. We'll say happy birthday to our friend.
Hey, it's me, Ella. I've had a very busy day. I'm sleepy and ready for bed. I've just got time for one more song. Here we go.
The sun goes down on Lellobee. The stars are shining. You know what that means. Put away your toys.
No, no,
It's time for bed.
no, no.
If I cuddle you, will you rest your little head?
Yes, yes, yes. Let's go to bed.
It can be fun to read at night, but now it's time to turn off the light. Put away your book.
No, no,
It's time for bed.
no, no.
If I cuddle you, will you rest your little head?
Yes, yes, yes. Let's go to bed.
There's something you must do before you go to sleep.
Get out your toothbrush and brush your teeth.
Let's brush our teeth.
No, no,
It's time for bed.
no, no.
If I cuddle you, will you rest your little head?
Yes, yes, yes. Let's go to bed.
I know it's fun to jump and play, but we have to save it for another day.
Let's get to sleep.
No, no,
It's time for bed.
no, no.
If I cuddle you, will you rest your little head?
Yes, yes, yes. Lellobee City